Devin Schindler is the constitutional law professor at Cooley Law School, and the United States Supreme Court is expected next week to levy some very big decisions, are they not, sir?
We are very much looking forward to it. For a common law professor such as myself, this is the holiday season for me. Something new under the tree every day.
Do you think, did they issue rulings every day, or will they all come on one day?
I suspect they're going to split the rulings between Tuesday and Thursday. It's generally what they do. And I do believe at some level the United States Supreme Court has a sense of not the absurd, but of the dramatic. Yeah. They tend to put one or two big opinions out near the very end of the session, just to keep us on the edge of our seats.
I'll never forget being at the Steve Mariucci Tom Izzo charity tournament in Marquette. It would have been the same week, Thursday, next week. Sitting there, we're on golf carts with all the celebrities and whatever, waiting to go out, and there is former Congressman Bart Stupak with his smartphone, and he's watching the ruling come in from the Supreme Court about whether or not the Affordable Care Act is legal or not. And I thought, imagine the irony of the thing. Here's the guy, the one guy you can point to who allowed it to pass, and there he is watching to see the result.
Yes, well, it's not over till the Supreme Court sings, right?
And it's still not over, right?
Well, that's the interesting thing. We have another big Obamacare or Affordable Care Act case coming down, King versus Burwell, which could really have a cataclysmic effect on the millions of people that have purchased health care insurance on the federal exchanges. And so this case has really repercussions both long-term in terms of how we interpret the Constitution, what the court says about statutory interpretation and how we read statutes, and an immediate impact on any number of folks that have relied on insurance they purchased at the federal exchange. So, big case at two different levels.
And the other big decision has to do with same-sex marriage?
The marriage equality case, known in Michigan as the DeBoer case, which in terms of social policy and really the role the court should play in our constitutional democracy, also a huge case, both in terms of its immediate effect on a lot of people and the long-term impact it's going to have in terms of defining the appropriate role of the Supreme Court in our system. Big case.
Okay, we are going to talk with you again, it sounds like twice next week then, as the Supreme Court. It's always interesting that there's usually a statement on the steps of some sort, and someone comes out there and tries to read it as fast as they can.